Bitcoin Cash. I have had lots of different people ask me, what is it? What is it? Okay, Bitcoin Cash is a peer-to-peer electronic cash enabling new economics with low fee microtransactions, large businesses transactions, and permissionless spending. Link in the description below to this website. We're going over what is Bitcoin Cash. There's three different type of Bitcoins that most people know about. Bitcoin BTC, Bitcoin Cash BCH, and Bitcoin Satoshi's Vision, which is BSV. Right now we're going to go over Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash brings money to the world, fulfilling the original promise of Bitcoin as peer-to-peer electronic cash. Merchants and users are empowered with low fees and reliable confirmations. The future shines brightly with unrestricted growth, global adoption, permissionless innovation, and decentralized development. All Bitcoin Cash holders as of block 478558 are also owners of Bitcoin Cash. All are welcome to join the Bitcoin Cash community as we move forward in creating sound money accessible to the world. Okay, right here, you can actually read the white paper for Bitcoin Cash. The original white paper was published on October the 31st, 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto, the anonymous creator of the world's first cryptocurrency. The title of Bitcoin's white paper is Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Bitcoin Cash aims to continue this vision of bringing sound money to the world. Bitcoin Cash roadmap. To become a solid base for application development and innovation, Bitcoin Cash must continuously improve and compete. Working together, we can build a technical foundation to improve Bitcoin Cash to be the best money the world has ever seen. You can click right here for the roadmap. Okay, they're saying they are fast. Transactions in a second get confirmed in minutes. Reliable, a network that runs without congestion. Low fees, send money globally for pennies. Simple, easy to use, no hassle. Stable, a payment system that is proven, store value. Secure, world's most robust blockchain technology. Okay, you can join their community. They have a Reddit page, they have a Facebook page, they have a Telegram, they have a GitHub, they have another Reddit page, Bitcoin Cash, on social media. What is peer-to-peer electronic cash? Getting started. Peer-to-peer electronic cash, P2P, electronic cash is simply described as online money sent from one person to another without the need for trusted third parties. As described in the original Bitcoin white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto, P2P cash makes use of digital signatures as part of the solution, but the main benefits are lost if a trusted third party is still required to prevent fraud. This makes P2P cash a trustless and safe way to transact without the use of intermediaries. Where do I store my Bitcoin Cash? Download a wallet. Getting started with Bitcoin Cash is super easy. The first step is to download a wallet so that you can begin participating in the Bitcoin community. Most wallets are free to download and are easy to use that have a few key features such as sending, receiving, storing funds securely, transaction lookups, and more. How do I get Bitcoin Cash? Buy or earn Bitcoin Cash. The two easiest ways to get Bitcoin Cash is to buy or work for it. Buying Bitcoin Cash is the most used and convenient way, where all you have to do is sign up for Bitcoin exchange and deposit funds so you can convert it to Bitcoin Cash. The exchange will send you Bitcoin Cash as the transaction has occurred. What can I buy with Bitcoin Cash? Spend Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash isn't just for speculation. Its intended usage is peer-to-peer electronic currency, which means it should be spent. Spending Bitcoin Cash is fast with near instant transactions and sub-cent transaction fees, making it the most secure and widely used digital currency on the planet. How can my business use Bitcoin Cash? Accept Bitcoin Cash. As a merchant, one of your main goals is to be able to accept and process payments as quickly and seamlessly as possible so you can make your customers happy and receive payments without any headaches. Bitcoin Cash is the solution as it has fast and low cost transactions. As the world goes digital, electronic currencies such as Bitcoin are becoming the go-to method for payments. Online and retail shopping. Easily accept Bitcoin Cash directly or use third parties providers to accept Bitcoin Cash using their platform and convert all or part of the sale into local fiat currencies. Okay, guys, that is all. Let me know what you think about Bitcoin Cash. Are you using it? Have you used it? Please leave comments below. Like, subscribe to this channel. I will be going into more details on Bitcoin Cash. Let me know. Talk to you guys later.